Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating a dedicated notebook for this subject. Choose a clear name so you can find it fast. Once created, add section groups and sections to reflect major topics, then open a page and give it a descriptive title and date. Next, add a simple outline to guide your notes. Use bullets or headings so you can jump between ideas. This first setup gets you into a workflow immediately and prevents scattered notes later. So start here and keep moving. Now focus on capturing and organizing efficiently. Use quick notes or record audio while sketching with ink. You can drag those captures into the right page when ready. Once content is on the page, apply tags like important or question and create a few custom tags for your workflow so searches return what you need. Also insert files or screenshots and link related pages. Templates help standardize repeated note types. These steps turn scattered content into searchable, structured knowledge you can act on. Finish by reviewing and syncing. Set a weekly habit to summarize pages, clean outdated tags, and reorganize subpages into sections so your notebook stays lean. Make sure OneNote syncs by checking your account and connection. Confirm the notebook sync status after major edits. If something goes wrong and a page is missing, open the notebook recycle bin or check page version history to recover content. This final pass preserves clarity and prevents data loss, so include it in your routine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.